Good morning, everyone. Let us start today's day with this beautiful thought. The one who plants trees, knowing that he will never sit in their shade, has at least started to understand the meaning of life. By Rabindranath Tagore. Now, let us begin a new chapter from shelter to village settlements. From shelter to village settlements. Shelter. In the fifth lesson, we saw that Neanderthals mainly lived in caves. So, they were living in caves, Neanderthals, because the weather was extremely cold. To save themselves from the extreme cold climate, they took shelter in the caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperatures because they wore the leather clothing and made use of fire. Now here Neanderthal was able to use fire. He was also protecting himself from the freezing temperature by wearing the leather clothes. Now leather clothes here means the animal hide. He was using the skin of the animal to protect himself from the extreme weather. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animal hides to erect tents inside the caves for warmth. Wherever necessary, they also built huts in the open. Now it was so cold, extremely cold, that it was not sufficient just to wear that skin or the hide of the animal or live in the cave. Now, during such a cold temperatures, you might be experiencing that when we are having winters here, even the floor, walls, everything becomes very cold. So in such situation, even the interior part of the caves were quite cold. It was made up of stones, it was natural. So the stones, the flooring, so from inside also the caves were very cold. So that was not sufficient. It was not easy to lie down or live on the floor of the caves. It was also freezing temperature. That's why what they did, they erected the tents inside the caves for warmth. And also you can see here in the picture how they were making the tents. So one side of the tent was the wall of the caves and the other side they were erecting the tent, and it was made up of the skin of the animal, because up to now Neanderthal do not know the skill of weaving the cloth. So they were using the animal hide and it was giving warmth. गरमी, छान गरम राहायचे, ते गरमी मिळायची. आणि जर जमिनीवर झोपले तर गार थंडगार जमीन राहायची, मग त्याच्यावर झोपणं शक्य नव्हतं. म्हणून ते खाली ॲनिमल हाईट टाकून असे त्या ॲनिमल स्किनचे टेंट्स बांधायचे. सो एअर कुड नॉट पास थ्रू इट, कोल्ड एअर विच इज मूविंग. सो इन दिस वे दे वर प्रोटेक्टिंग देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द extreme cold climates by such various ideas. They were wearing the skin of the animal, they were living inside the caves, and also they were erecting the tents inside the caves. Here the picture is showing the tent outside the caves. Similarly, they were erecting inside the caves also to protect themselves. Then seasonal camps. The word seasonal itself indicates that it is for specific time. It is not permanently. For specific time they were erecting the camps, and then again it was changed. In the Middle Stone Age, group of people, Homo sapiens, had established camps all over the world. Now by the time of Middle Age, they were continuously roaming from place to place. So almost throughout the world they were living, these Homo sapiens. At that time climate was getting warmer. Everywhere the environment was changing. Now in the Middle Stone Age here, slowly and steadily now environment, climate started changing. It was now becoming bit warmer. Now they have moved to the other parts of the world also. So it was getting warmer, climatic changes were there, and with it the diet of Homo sapien was also undergoing change. Accordingly they were changing the diet. Now they were no more the forager. We have seen they have started preparing the tools, they have started hunting For various purpose, they have started making the tools like hunting, breaking the nuts, getting the fruits and vegetables, cutting down of trees, and also for cultivation. They were harvesting whatever crops were grown, they have started harvesting. So in this way their diet was undergoing the change. By the time of the Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoth were on the way of extinction due to the changing environment and also because they were hunted on large scale. Now mammoth, in the next picture here you can see the mammoth. It is somewhat like elephant. This is the mammoth. It is like elephant, only it is having a very big tusk and it is very big as compared to elephant which is living in today's age. This is today's elephant and mammoth is much bigger. It is having hairy fur on the body to protect from the extreme cold climate, and it was having very big tusk. So in this way, because they could not overcome the extreme climate, they cannot face this extreme cold climate and the changing temperature, they were unable to adjust themselves, and also they were hunted on very large scale by these Homo sapiens for their skin and flesh and the bones also. They were using it. That's why they were hunted, and this was the reason why they become extinct. That means they came to end. After that, the family of mammoth came to end. Then the next generation, they were later on the elephants. Such big mammoths did not exist. That is why Homo sapien had largely turned to fishing. He also began to depend more on hunting smaller animals like wild boar, deer, mount goat and sheep. Now wild बोर means डुक्कर, रानडुक्कर ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, pig, which is wild. So such animals they were hunting and also they were doing the fishing activity. Now because their food was mainly dependent on the season. So if the season changes, if there is no fruits and vegetables available, they were having the hunting and fishing activities. So they can fulfill their basic needs. They can have good amount of food. The changed diet pattern enabled the groups of Homo sapiens to roam to the faraway regions. Now what they were doing? Now at place, for example, at some place near the river they are living. There good trees are there, good amount of crop is there. Now season is there when the trees are having fruits and vegetables, lot of things to eat. Even the river is having the fishes. So they are consuming, they are living there for some time, they are constructing their huts. And when the season changes, if it is dry season, for example, water in the river if dries up, there is no more fishes, or other reason may be that there is no more fruits and vegetable available in that specific region due to various reasons. So they were shifting to some other area, some other region where they can overcome their needs, whatever they require, the basic need of food and shelter. So in this way they used to move their whole camps from one place to another place according to the change of the season. They moved their camps to the different place accordingly to the season change. They harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. They would find out the best seasons for fishing and use the knowledge of to their advantage. So they used to understand by observation and experience that in which season the fishes are more, or where they will get the fishes in large quantity, or hunting is possible. In this way they were using their knowledge, prior knowledge and experience. By observation they discovered the best hunting grounds. Now by observation, best hunting ground means where they can hunt the animals easily. कोणत्या जंगलमध्ये जास्ती प्राणी असतात, कसं काय हंटिंग तिथे पॉसिबल आहे, कोणत्या डिफिकल्टीज येतील. इन दिस वे दे यूज टू ऑब्झर्व अँड अकॉर्डिंगली दे यूज टू डिसाइड दॅट विच इज द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर हंटिंग. फॉर दीज रिझन्स they stayed in one place for a longer periods. They cleared the jungles by felling the trees and set up their camps in the clearing. So in this way, whenever they used to move and find that here good quantity of hunting, fishing or other fruits and vegetable is available, then they used to cut down those tree a specific patch and clear the ground so that they can build their camps, their huts, and they can live together in that place. So in this way they were setting up the seasonal camps. So student, read page number 30 and 31. In next period we will see further. Thank you.